Hello everyone, welcome to Agricultural Technology Nexus. In today's session, we are going to explore the process of harvesting and processing bananas. Let's get started. Once the land has been prepared, farmers begin by placing banana seedlings in rows using a cultivator. After setting them into the soil, two farmers adjust and straighten the seedlings from the top of the cultivator to ensure continuous soil moisture. A fine mist or spray is applied over the field. This guarantees that the seedlings receive sufficient water for proper growth. Depending on the specific banana variety, the seedlings require anywhere from 9 to 20 months to mature into full-grown banana plants. Certain varieties reach maturity faster than others. At this stage, farmers trim the tip of the banana bud to encourage the cluster's emergence. Once the female flower tips appear, some parts are cut off with the help of knives so that the banana bunch develops more quickly. Over time, these clusters transform into fully grown bananas. During harvesting, large bananas are cut separately, while the younger bananas are left on the rachis to continue their development. The flower at the tip of the rachis is also removed. Banana plants are vulnerable to leaf diseases such as Xanthomonas wilt, Procerium wilt, black sigatoka, and yellow sigatoka. Infected leaves are removed by workers to prevent the spread. To protect the plants, insecticides like dimethoate, diazinon, and acephate are sprayed either through ground-based equipment or aerial crop spraying aircraft. Additionally, methyl-dimethin 25, EC 0.05%, is applied separately by workers. These chemicals are effective against pests, including aphids, thrips, and mites that commonly attack banana crops. The pesticides function by targeting the insect's nervous systems, which eventually kills them. In large-scale banana farms, an experienced harvesting crew is crucial. They first check the size of the bananas to confirm ripeness before harvesting. Banana plants produce bunches, and fully mature banana trees also sprout suckers from the base. Among these, the suckers are considered the fastest growing new banana plants. Workers carefully cut the banana bunches from the tree, making clean cuts to prevent damage to the fruit. After harvesting, the bunches are carried on the workers' shoulders to the transport area, where they are attached to a rope line. The bananas are securely tied to hooks on the rope system. From here, they are moved to the washing station, where workers spray them thoroughly with water. This process removes dirt, as well as any microbes clinging to the bananas. To protect the bananas from bruising, another worker places soft cotton paper between each layer of fruit. In places where machinery cannot be used, bunches are harvested manually with this method. which is both less time-consuming and less labor-intensive. Usually, banana factories are located close to banana fields. Because bananas spoil quickly, they must be processed immediately after harvest to maintain quality. Rope lines carry them straight from the farm into the factory. Upon arrival, workers first remove the cotton paper, sort the bananas by size, and then wash them again with water spray. Next, a quality inspector cuts a sample banana from the bunch to verify its freshness. Then, the bananas go through a final washing stage. Here, workers separate large bunches into smaller ones and immerse them in clean water. These smaller bunches are washed thoroughly. While submerged, workers trim the stems and cut the bunches into 2 or more sections using scissors. The bananas are then placed on trays, and once the required weight is confirmed, they are taken to the packaging area. Now let's look at the packaging process inside the factory. Workers carefully position bananas on the sealing line. When the bunches pass through the sealing machine, they are packaged without sustaining any damage. To prevent infections, a chemical solution is applied to the cut ends of the stems. The sealed bananas are then transferred to the container packing area, where paper boxes are filled with the packaged bananas. Workers first insert a large polythene lining inside each container. The bananas are arranged in rows, each row covered with polythene sheets. Using a vacuum machine, workers remove excess air from the polythene. Now, let us move to another section of the factory where banana chips are produced. Here, workers manually peel the bananas to obtain the edible white pulp. Wearing aprons, they feed the pulp into a grinder machine. This produces mashed banana pulp, which is then sent to the frying section. The pulp is fried in hot oil, after which the chips move along a conveyor belt to the packaging area, where they are packed into containers. Alternatively, some bananas are sliced directly without grinding and fried whole. These slices are passed through a rotating disc to drain the oil, leaving them completely dry. The dried chips are then placed in a mixing machine to enhance their flavor. Workers help guide the chips onto the conveyor for smooth processing. From here, the chips are sent to the packaging room. This room is equipped with an AI-powered packaging machine that automatically weighs the chips and fills polyethylene packets. Once the packets are ready, workers collect them and arrange them into paper boxes. The containers are then labeled with the company seal, date of production, expiry date, and a batch number. Workers seal the boxes with tape to keep the contents safe during handling and transport. Once sealed, the boxes are stacked for shipment or storage. This careful packing ensures that both bananas and banana chips remain fresh and secure. At this point, they are ready for sale in the market or for export. Thank you for being with us on this engaging journey into the world of bananas. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe for more exciting content.